Hey everyone, it's Jenna. I just got a package in the mail from Angelus Direct. It is the custom shoe paint. So in this video, I want to do a quick unboxing, show you what I got, and talk about the custom shoes that I'm going to be making. So here's the box it came in. I'm going to open it real quick. I'm not like the cool YouTubers with the fancy knives. I just use a pair of scissors to open my packages. Probably not the best idea, but that's what I use. Wow. Go through everything. So the first thing that I got is a 5-piece brush set. I think this came as part of the starter kit. If I can adjust the lighting. Okay, it's a little better. Lighting's a little better. Okay, a little blown out. Okay, so I got a 5-piece brush set. I think this came with the starter kit, like I said. I'm not the best with paintbrushes, but I'm gonna practice, gonna get better with them. I also ordered some of their empty paint markers, because paint markers is actually what I excel with. I'm really good at using markers, so I'm definitely excited to try these out. Let's see what else I got here. I got the Angelus Too Thin. I believe this is the stuff that you're supposed to add to the paint to make it thinner so that it can actually work with the markers. So I'm going to try that out and find, the exact, how much to add and all that. I got the High Gloss Acrylic Finisher. I'm personally a fan of gloss finish. I think it looks really nice when it looks really shiny. I guess depending on the look you're going for, sometimes the matte finisher could be good too, but I think I already have matte finisher, or I ordered it. I forgot. I have the leather preparer in deglazer. I believe this is what you're supposed to use before you paint the shoes. Have to double check about that. I got the Easy Cleaner. I believe you're also supposed to use this before you paint the shoes. So we're gonna check that out, see how that works. Oh, here's the rest of my markers. I also, so for the markers, I got the differences. These ones are the 3mm, and these ones are the 5mm. So these ones are a little bit thicker. I wanted to get them both just so I could have 4 markers, and so that I can do some more fine detail work with the thinner ones. So I got 2 package markers. This brush came with the starter kit. I ordered a starter kit off of the Angelus website. So I guess you use this to clean the shoes before you customize them. I got the micro detail brush set. This did not come with the starter kit, but I definitely wanted to pick it up because I think that I'll be able to use it to do some very fine detailed work. So we got some micro detail brushes. Really excited about that. What else do I have here? I got a heat gun. The Wagner heat gun. Not sure what 101 uses means. I guess, does that mean, like, it's gonna die after 100 uses? I don't know. If you know anything about heat guns, let me know in the comments. I really hope that it lasts a little longer than that, but I guess we'll find out. This is gonna be really great for drying the paint and working quickly, because waiting for paint to dry can be the worst. So, never used a heat gun before, but I'm really excited to try this out and see how it works. The heat gun. What else do I... Oh, they gave me some freebies, but before we check out the freebies, let's check out the paint I got. These are some of the paints I got with the starter kit. So, we got some hot pink. We got some gift box blue. Awesome freaking color. We got some light blue, which actually looks a little darker than it did on the website, if I remember correctly. But that's okay. We got some black, because I think you can never run out of enough, you can never have enough white or black. I got some flat black, in case we want to go with that flat look. I got some flat white, in case we want to go with that flat look. I got some regular white, because white and black, important colors to have, I'm sure. I got some duller. What is this for again? Gloss reducer. Oh, okay. So, yeah, this reduces the gloss, which I don't think is going to give me a matte look, but I guess if I don't want it to look glossy, this would be good to use. Eventually, I'm going to get some matte finisher, but this was just basically a starter kit that I ordered so that I can get started, because most important thing with anything is to get started. This is interesting. I've never seen any unboxer show this before. Got some instructions on what to do before applying the paint, so that's kind of cool. What's this? Oh, cool. It's saying I could, you know, talk to them through live chat if I need any help. To check out their YouTube channel. They have a ton of helpful videos on their YouTube channel. So I'm definitely going to be checking out that before I get started so that I know what to do and I know I'm doing it properly. This looks like my work order, my receipt. It looks like they also threw in a pair of sunglasses. Wow, fancy. That is, they're kind of manly, which stinks, so I'll probably, like, give them to some guy or whatever. They're not very feminine looking, but kind of interesting. Why? What's the deal with that? Why do they fold here? I've never seen sunglasses do that before. That's weird. Maybe so you could do... Oh, wow. Wow, that is really weird. I have never seen sunglasses do that before. Have you? Let me know in the comment. Oh, look, you can see me filming through the reflection on the sunglasses. How cool is that? Yeah, really interesting pair of sunglasses there. Thanks for the gift, Angelus. That's kind of cool. Let's just put this over there. What else did I get for free? I got some stickers. That's what I'm most excited for, because who doesn't love stickers? I got this cool little Pacific Blue riding some waves, which is like really freaking cool. I love that. That's kind of cool. Gotta figure out where to stick that. And wow, is this a car freshener? This looks like an air freshener. How cool is that? It's like a bunch of, it's like a box of paints and supplies. It looks like that's everything that comes with the starter kit, so maybe they give these air fresheners away with the starter kit. I don't know. Angelus is a really, like, reputable brand. Like, they know how to build brand. They know what they're doing with all these freebies and goodies. They're making me feel good, so I order from them again. And I have a lanyard, which, is kind of cool. Maybe I'll see if anyone likes lanyards. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of lanyards. Let me know in the comments. Do you want a free lanyard? Maybe I'll do like a little lanyard giveaway. Comment below if you want a lanyard. I'll send it to you. So yeah, that's it. That's everything I ordered with the kit. Now let me show you what I actually got back in the day. So I got this like 10 years ago, this box of paint right here. Spent 30 bucks on it at, let me see here, where'd I go again? I went to the city to get this. Wardrobe supplies, not even sure if they exist anymore, but I ordered this paint, this letter paint kit 10 years ago, and I procrastinated for 10 years and never did anything with it because I was always afraid and I let my perfectionism get in the way, but not doing that anymore. So we still have paints in here. We have a couple colors. We got some gold, we got some yellow. So I'm not sure if this paint is any good anymore, but recently I took the white paint and I painted a small spot on one of my shoes. Let me show you. A small spot right there on one of my shoes, and it doesn't look that bad. So I think the paint is still good, but if it's not, we're just using it to practice anyway, so not the end of the world. And I want to look real quick to see if I can find the empty paint markers that I ordered back in the day. So I will go. Okay, so also 10 years ago, I bought these 2 pens from Angelus. They are empty paint markers. We're going to try using them, but they actually say dye. So I'm not sure if these are good to use with the paint. But if you look at them, it's got like a super thick tip on it. And I guess you put the dye or the ink in there. Not really too sure. I'm going to have to check out Angelus's website to see if I can even find these on there. Or maybe I could talk to someone from Angelus to see if these are still any good or not. I have this one as well. You take the tip off, and this one's got a pretty nice tip on it. And I guess, again, you put the dye in that way. I'm not too sure if you've used Angelus products in the past and know anything about this. Please let me know in the comments. Angelus unboxing, but let me quickly just show you what I got from Michael's. I got some storage cups for paint. This is a 14-piece set. So this is what I'm going to use to mix the paint with. Mix the paint in, rather, sorry. I got these little paint cups, which I'm going to use for colors I don't need as much of. I'm going to mix paint in here. I bought a little paint palette for mixing paint in. I feel like you can never have enough supplies to mix paint in. And I got some painter's tape so I can tape off the shoes and be nice and neat with my artwork. So I am super excited to get started. That is everything that I bought from Angelus. The only thing that I don't have yet is a pair of shoes, but I do have this pair of heels that I'm probably going to practice on. I'd love to get a pair of sneakers as well. I've been looking in the thrift store. I'm looking for something cheap just to practice on. I don't want to buy like a $60, $90 pair of shoes just to practice on. I want to get something cheap from the thrift store so I can just practice, try it out, see if I like it, see if I'm any good at it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I did a pair of custom shoes back in the day, like probably 10 years ago, and it was a lot of fun, and I feel they came out really good. But the thing is, I wasn't using Angelus paints. When I did those custom pair of shoes back in the day, I was using paint markers, and you can't use paint marker. I mean, you can use paint markers to do shoes, but if you ever plan on wearing them, when you walk in them, they're going to crease and they're going to get ruined. So I was a little bit silly for actually wearing them out in public. I probably should have kept those shoes just up on a shelf somewhere and save them, but I didn't. But now we're going to make some custom shoes that can actually be worn and be worn out in public. And I'm really excited about it. I want to do guy shoes. I want to do girl shoes. I want to do heels. I want to do it all. I'm super excited about it. I feel like a kid on Christmas. I'm just like, I don't know. I haven't done anything creative in a really long time. I need to get my creative fix in. I need to get my art. I don't know. I feel like I'm good at art, and I feel like by not creating art, I'm going crazy and I'm wasting my talent. So I need to start creating more art. Just something I want to do. And yeah, so comment below if you're interested in this type of stuff. If you're excited to see upcoming videos about me creating custom shoes, leave a comment below. If you don't like it, then leave a dislike. I want to know, like, just, you know, let me know whether you like it or dislike it. Leave a comment below. Subscribe if you want to, and I will see you next time.